It's crazy.
Oh my God.
I like legitimately did not think that this was still in there.
Hi, Sydney. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Okay, let's talk about your hair.
Okay. I normally wear my hair in a blowout, but I'm really wanting something just very low maintenance. I want to embrace my natural texture, which I haven't really been able to do.
Okay.
And just something easy, like air dry and something just where I can get out of the shower, throw some product in and go.
Okay.
But as of now, I just like feel like it's a little dull and it's not really, the volume's not there. And so I want to work with it and try to get it back to life.
Okay. So when you say you want to embrace your natural texture, do you want to see a little bit more of this natural wave that I'm seeing?
So in the past, my hair actually was decently, not, I wouldn't say like curly, but there were curls in there. And right now, I just feel like the ends are really weighing down. There's not like, I used to have like a couple curly cues going on, and they're just like not there. So I want to see if there's a way to bring that back.
Okay, so you're feeling like the drugstore brand is kind of making your hair dry. It's feeling kind of limp. We really want to get that volume back.
Yeah.
So what I like to recommend and what I use on myself and my clients is the Hairstory New Wash. For your hair, I would recommend the original. The New Wash is a product that's going to cleanse your scalp, but it's going to be really gentle. The shampoo that you've been using is something that's a little harsh. It's been stripping your hair of the natural oils, and it has a lot of detergents in it that is really stripping your scalp and your hair of the natural oils, and we do want some of those to be there. So the New Wash is a cream cleanser that is going to really nourish and moisturize your scalp and your hair. When your scalp is healthy, your hair is healthy. And also when you're not using these harsh detergents that's stripping all that good stuff out of your hair, it really allows the life to come back into your hair, which is going to give you volume and texture and really all the things you're looking for, especially if you're trying to embrace your natural wave.
Yeah.
So you did mention that it takes you about an hour
Yeah.
to style your hair after you wash it. That is a long time.
Yes.
When you're using the New Wash, it really preps your hair in a way that you can style and go way more easily, especially if you want to pair it with one of the other Hairstory products. They all work so well together. My personal favorite is the gel. This is a newer product that they came out with. It is so soft and flexible. It makes your hair really fluffy and shiny. When you think gel, you think something that's going to be really heavy and crunchy, but it is so soft and amazing. So I definitely want to use that on your hair today. That is a product that you could do your New Wash, throw the product in, wake up and go. It's perfect for an air dry. If there's any kind of cast, you can just scrunch the softness. You can just scrunch it and it will just be super, super soft.
That's the goal. It's so volumized and curly.
Yeah. And it
That's
was just
crazy.
And it was just two products, the New Wash and the gel.
I cannot believe that. And it's like, it is so soft.
Yeah, that stuff is seriously magic.
Oh my gosh. I am so blown away. What the actual fuck?